Hi everybody, I'm Alex, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a ring like this from this silver plate. Of course in the picture you saw golden ring, and now we have silver, but color doesn't matter. You can make it from any material. Okay. Let's start with the size of the ring we want to make. The average size, as I know, it's 18 or 19. Let's take 18. 18 is a 7.7 by US scale and 57 or 58 by UK scale. So our ring should have an inner diameter of 18 millimeters, and let's take the outer diameter about 25 by eye, like that. Yeah, like that. We will leave the lower part a little more with a margin about 2.53 millimeters, and the top let it be 4-5 millimeter. Now let's do it on a plate. 18 and 25. Okay. Like that. Now we can make a 4-layer ring. First we will cut the outer diameter. The thickness of the plate, I forgot to say, I choose 0.75 millimeters. This is a fairly universal, versatile size in the jewelry making. Thinner will be too less, and thicker will look rose. You see, you can see the first my trial ring I made was 1.1 millimeter, and it looks ugly. So let's make inner holes. Well, as you can see, I left here about 1 millimeter because when we start to solder these parts, they tend to shrink or slide, and then the size will no longer be 18 millimeters. Better than align with a file after. Okay. Now align the edge with the roof file. It makes no sense to process the edges completely, since we will grind them more than once after. Just mark the lower part so that will be easier to combine these details after. Like that. Okay. Now we can already see our prototype, the prototype of our ring. Just need to make this wave a little bit bigger. To do this, simply tap with a convex hammer on the concave surface slightly in different parts. Now let's gather everything, and we see. Now combine the bottom lines. We have to solder these parts to about this level. Let's mark it. No, okay. I'll mark it all with a pencil, and after with a needle to save its lines.